Hey there, treasure hunters and adventure seekers. Welcome back to my channel, where we explore the world of metal detectors and provide you with detailed reviews to help you find the perfect tool for your treasure hunting expeditions. Today, we're diving into the realm of metal detectors, and I'll be sharing my top 5 picks for 2023. Whether you're a seasoned detectorist or a beginner looking to embark on exciting treasure hunts, finding a reliable and high-performance metal detector is essential. Make sure to check the links in the description below for more information and exclusive discounts. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our treasure hunting adventures. Let's uncover hidden treasures with the best metal detectors. Starting at number 5, the Tanzanji TC600 metal detector is a professional underground depth gold detector designed to meet the needs of both beginners and experienced treasure hunters. This versatile detector allows you to search for coins, relics, jewelry, and gold in various environments, including lawns, mountains, and more. The TC600 features an 11-inch waterproof search coil, allowing you to cover a larger area efficiently and penetrate deeper into the ground. This waterproof capability ensures durability and enables you to explore wet areas, such as beaches and rivers, without any worries. One of the standout features of the TC600 is its intelligent identification system, which can differentiate between different types of metals, including gold, silver, copper, and iron. The detector provides distinct audio and visual signals for each metal type, making it easier for you to identify and discriminate targets based on their value. The discrimination mode of the TC600 allows you to filter out unwanted objects and focus solely on valuable targets. By adjusting the discrimination level, you can customize the detector's sensitivity to specific types of metals, minimizing false signals and maximizing your chances of finding valuable items. Equipped with pinpointing mode, the TC600 enables you to precisely locate buried objects. This feature is particularly useful when dealing with deeply buried targets that may blend in with the surrounding soil. By sweeping the search coil close to the ground, you can determine the exact location of your target before excavation. The TC600 incorporates ground balancing technology, which helps eliminate false signals caused by mineralization in the soil. This feature ensures that the detector remains stable and accurate, even in challenging ground conditions. Operating on a single 9V battery, not included, the TC600 provides sufficient power for your metal detecting adventures. It also includes a battery indicator that alerts you when the battery needs to be replaced, preventing any unexpected interruptions during your treasure hunting sessions. With its ergonomic design and adjustable armrest, the TC600 offers comfortable handling and reduces fatigue during extended detecting sessions. The intuitive control panel and LCD display provide essential information, including target depth, battery status, and discrimination settings, ensuring a user-friendly experience. At number 4, the Tanzanji TC500 metal detector is a professional and waterproof underground gold detector suitable for adults who are passionate about treasure hunting and pinpointing valuable items. With its high sensitivity, this metal detector is designed to detect even the smallest gold nuggets and relics, making it ideal for use in backyard areas, shorelines, mountains, and remote fields. Equipped with a smart sensor, the TC500 utilizes electromagnetic fields to detect the presence of nearby metal objects. It can detect various metals, including gold, silver jewelry, coins, and other valuable artifacts. The detector provides audio and visual indications when metal is detected, allowing you to easily identify potential treasure targets. The TC500 features an adjustable height stem, allowing you to customize the detector's length for comfortable use. The lightweight design, coupled with a gadding grip and elbow support, ensures stability and ease of operation during your treasure hunting adventures. Powered by 4 AA batteries, not included, the TC500 offers long-lasting performance in the field. It includes a low battery indicator, notifying you when it's time to replace the batteries. The digital display with backlight functionality provides clear visibility, and the sensitivity of the detection range is adjustable to suit different environmental conditions. With a working frequency of 10 kHz, The TC500 can effectively detect mineral deposits and metal objects at shallow depths. It can be used for various applications, including raw material testing, archaeological exploration, treasure hunting, and customs inspections. In conclusion, the Tanzanji TC500 metal detector is a reliable and versatile tool for adults interested in treasure hunting and metal detection. Its smart sensor, adjustable stem, lightweight design, and accurate detection capabilities make it a valuable companion for uncovering hidden treasures and precious artifacts. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced detectorist, the TC500 is a great choice to enhance your treasure hunting experience. At number 3, the GX850 utilizes a 10-inch waterproof search coil, enabling you to explore a wide range of environments, including beaches, rivers, and wetlands. Its waterproof design ensures durability and reliability, even in challenging weather conditions. Equipped with advanced target discrimination technology, the GX850 allows you to filter out unwanted objects and focus on valuable targets. By adjusting the discrimination level, you can tailor the detector's sensitivity to specific types of metals, reducing false signals and improving the accuracy of your searches. The device operates on a 9V alkaline battery, providing extended battery life for prolonged treasure hunting adventures. It features a battery indicator that alerts you when the battery needs to be replaced, ensuring uninterrupted use in the field. The GX850 incorporates a built-in speaker and headphone jack, allowing you to choose between audible signals or private listening through headphones. This feature is especially useful in noisy environments or when you prefer to search discreetly. With its intuitive control panel and LCD display, the GX850 offers easy operation and provides essential information about target depth, battery status, and discrimination settings. The adjustable sensitivity settings allow you to fine-tune the detector's performance based on ground conditions, ensuring optimal detection capabilities. In summary, the Treasure Hunter GX850 metal detector is a reliable and versatile device suitable for both beginners and experienced treasure hunters. Its adjustable stem, waterproof design, target discrimination technology, and user-friendly interface make it a valuable tool for finding hidden treasures. At number 2, the TriCore Power TX 960 metal detector is a versatile and user-friendly device suitable for both beginners and experienced users. With its one-touch operation, it's incredibly easy to use and adjust for different ground mineral conditions, making it ideal for various detecting environments. Whether you're engaged in security checks, archaeological exploration, or outdoor treasure hunting, the TX 960 is designed to meet your needs. It comes with a 13-inch waterproof search coil, allowing you to search for metals in water. Note that the controller is not waterproof. The target ID legend on the LCD screen helps you identify and decide whether to dig a target, providing valuable information on the probable material. The TX 960 offers both all-metal and discrimination modes, allowing you to choose between detecting all types of metal or focusing on specific targets. The coin depth indicator provides depth readings in 2-inch increments, ensuring accurate target identification. Additionally, the battery level indicator helps you keep track of the battery condition, ensuring uninterrupted performance. This metal detector operates on a 9V alkaline battery, providing over 8 hours of constant use. The sensitivity is adjustable with 8 different settings, allowing you to optimize detection in various environments. The detector's working frequency is 2 kHz, offering a good balance between depth and sensitivity. Overall, the TriCore Power TX 960 metal detector is a reliable and efficient device that offers excellent performance in a user-friendly package. Its versatility, one-touch operation, discrimination capability, and depth indication make it a suitable choice for a wide range of metal detecting applications. At number 1, the Tanzanji TC600 metal detector is a reliable and high-performance device designed for treasure hunting and detecting buried objects. With its high sensitivity, it can detect even the smallest gold nuggets, making it ideal for both hobbyists and professional treasure hunters. One of the standout features of the TEX 850 is its illumination function. This means that the detector will not emit a tone or light up an indicator when a certain type of metal is detected, allowing you to focus on valuable targets. The discrimination feature allows you to ignore trash and other undesirable objects, ensuring a more efficient search. The TEX 850 also comes with a pinpoint function, which enables you to find the exact location of a buried object. This is particularly useful when you're dealing with larger search areas. The VCO, Voltage Control Oscillator, feature adjusts the audio pitch and volume based on the signal strength, helping you identify targets more accurately. With its interchangeable and waterproof 11-inch search coil, the TEX 850 is suitable for various environments such as backyards, shorelines, mountains, and fields afar. It has a stretch length of 42 to 52 inches, providing flexibility and comfort during use. The device is powered by a 9V battery, offering up to 15 hours of battery life. It also includes an earphone jack for sound debugging and volume control. The LCD and sound indicator provide clear and convenient indication modes, allowing you to stay focused on your search. Overall, the Tanzanji TX 850 metal detector is a reliable and feature-packed device for treasure hunting enthusiasts. Its high sensitivity, elimination, and discrimination functions, as well as pinpoint capability, make it a suitable choice for both beginners and experienced users.